once again, a very good morning to each and everybody present here. So, as my objective is to propose a proposal, so I'm going to propose some of my an event which is happening in my life, and I can say it is the recent endeavor I'm working on. So, I'll start with that. The year 2020 was a tough year, and even in the tough year, everybody is exploring themselves. So do I. So the time in 2020 was tough for me too. I started exploring myself. I worked on my all the weaknesses, but there was some time that even I was feeling so low. I started finding all the answers about it. I started going to my father's office. By the way, my father's have a company. He works like he have an authorized service center. He is working in this area for the last 10 years or maybe more. So he basically provides services to all the kitchen appliances in the three districts of Rajasthan, which is Pali, Jalore, and Siroi. And he have the direct connection to the three companies, which is Bajaj, V-Guard, and Cello. So these are the three companies they are working for. All right. So I started going to my father's office, just for the sake of knowing that what all works he's doing, what is his day-to-day life, and to know more about his job and all the workers works there. So to be very honest, it was such a boring time. I was just I sat there and observed all the things. As I know that if you want to grow in your life, you should be grateful for all the things you are seeing or you are facing in your day-to-day steps. So I only had this thought in my mind. I need to see all the things very positively. I started observing everything. I was seeing that what the computer coordinator doing, what the service person is doing. I started observing what my father is doing. Once I was observing all this, I observed that he is getting so many calls from so many unknown numbers. When I asked him who all were they, he simply answered my question that all they were was some of my reference for my old customers. So I just asked him what they want from me. He said that we were providing services to all the washing machine, or we can say all the AC, fridge, and all this. But currently we are providing all the service to the kitchen appliances only. So I don't have any team regarding that. So I referred all the customers to some of my acquaintance. So I observed that this is something I need to solve. This is a problem, I can say. My father is referring all the customers to somebody else. So I found this very interesting and curious. I was having so many questions in my mind. So what to do next? I started researching about it. I started investigating. I got in touch with so many shopkeepers. I started contacting them. I contact them and get feedbacks. What all their customers needed. Are they getting enough? We can say enough services. And if they are having the satisfactory services, then at what cost? How much time they receive? How much time they took to receive their satisfactory services? So the time span of this all was around, we can say, a 1.5 months. I observed all the things. After that, I simply got to a conclusion that every customers are very satisfied to pay, but they're not getting the satisfactory service. For that they are paying. I proposed this idea to my father that what if we can make an application through which we connect with all the customers. In very first, he definitely was not convinced with me, but soon and later, after 10 to 15 days, he was agreed with it, and he was asking me so many questions. So what all question he was asking, I'm sharing one presentation here, and will answer all the things by the presentation only. So here is the presentation. Pay services. So as I already shared, I researched in the market that what all things we are lacking in. So I observed that 60% of the people received a healthy service, and only 4 out of 10 people gets service on time, and remaining needs to contact to the service person again and again. Then please please come into my house and uh, solve this problem or something. So that is what the problem all the customers were facing. Then we came up to this idea. We started our own application, Pay Services, which is a one-stop solution to all the home, office, and society. And we can say a corporate handyman services. We provide services to that door-to-door assistance and fulfill all their needs. So my father asked me, how will this work? So I answered in this way, that we'll make an application, post that to the Play Store. The customer will download the application, register to the app, and book their services and get the service. That's easy. But my father asked me, like, who will provide them service? I again answered with a simple way, that we'll also have another app. The app will call Pay Services Vendor app. All the service person who is going to work with us will download this app, will make that profile, make that account, and will confirm that if the person is good enough to solve the problem or good enough to provide the service or not. After the confirmation, we'll give them the work, or we can say it will work directly in a very automatic way. He asked me how we are different. Already we are having so many different companies in the market. So I answered by this. We are having UrbanClap. Many of you have heard about it. That we are having UrbanClap in market, who is providing all the electronic services, or we can say grooming, related to all the grooming services. So we can say not a very unique solution, but we are solving another problem. So we are same as UrbanClap, but I added a unique solution to it. As UrbanClap directs to the customer, to a service person, and the service person is totally free to provide the service according to their references and their time. So I added the concept of Uber. I made an app and connected both the apps. Once the customer will register their complaint, the complaint will get notified with all the service person nearer to them. So like whomsoever person will be free, he can accept the service and reach out to the customer and provide them the service. So here the Pay Services came in. So that was a unique idea I came up to and like solved a problem. So the next question is, how will we earn? So I propose to my father that we'll deduct a 15% of margin from the total cost, and in that 15%, we'll have the 3% of online gateway charge, 18% GST, which is on the commission we are getting, right? And all the expenses we are paying. So all this will be deducted to those 15%, and the remaining will be our profit. So these are the process. How will we earn? There are always some pros and cons. Like whenever we start something, we'll definitely have to face so many challenges, and we can say so many problems. So even we have so many pros and cons. So what are the pros here? We don't have to hire any serviceman upfront, as it saves cost. We don't need to spend any cost on the hiring process. As we have our other app, the service person can easily get to the app and make them their account. The second pros was everything is online. We don't need to be indulged in any physical stuff. The customer is booking their services. It is redirecting to the vendor, and the vendor is providing the services. And we don't need to be indulged in any physical activity. And we are having a different concept. As UrbanClap is there, but the timing taken by them is, I can say, more than 6 to 7 hours, and maybe more than that too. So we are working on that, and we added the concept of Uber. So it is reducing our time, and we are preferring our providing our services in a very proficient way. What are the cons here? So our cons is we, along with the Pay Services, have little control on the service provided, I can say, because the service person is alone going to the customer's house and solving the problem. So we can't see him in a physical way. So we can't can say predict that what he is providing a satisfactory service or not. But we are getting all the feedback from the customer. We are reaching out to the customers, and till date we are having the satisfactory services. The second one is having a complete team in one district. If I need to reach to another district, currently we are progressing in Pali, Rajasthan only, and we are working very efficiently. If I need to go to the Jaipur, so I'll definitely need a proper team in the whole district so that I can go to the another level. The next one is we are very new to the market and we have so many competition already. So we need to set our foundation and like make our face in our surrounding. So these are the cons we are facing right now. The next one is our performance. So currently till date we have served more than 100 customers in Pali only, and soonly we are reaching to more and more cities in Rajasthan, and we have reached our 100 plus downloads within the first 5 months without spending any penny on marketing. So that was the performance we were having in the last 5 months. What is our way forward? So working on our currently I'm working on our digital presence so that can so that we can reach to more and more customers. Working on our user interface so that we are having a very basic app as of now just to solve the problem. So but going to another level, we are working on the user interface so that we can connect with the audience by a designing purpose, or we can say in a very different manner. Currently, we are reaching out to the more and more service person to have a strong pipeline. If anybody is busy with their work, so we don't need to face any consequences. We have a person in backup so that the time consuming by the we can say the service person will be less. And our target for the very next 1 year is to cover whole Rajasthan. So we are currently we are targeting Bikaner and Udaipur. So we are working on that, and we are covered we can say the half of the team. So soon we'll be targeting all the areas of Rajasthan, the major cities of Rajasthan, and we'll start our services in all those ways. I proposed this idea, let me unshare my screen first. I proposed this idea to my father. He was very much satisfied with my proposal. He said, okay, we can go with the idea and start making we can say an app. So we contacted a company and they delivered an application to us. We have worked on it, and currently the performance we are seeing is very satisfactory, and the people who is acknowledging our services are, we can say, definitely giving us feedback in a very positive way. So I'll definitely say that was my proposal. I have researched about it. The very best part of this proposal was I got to know that so many customers are facing so many different problems. I connected with so many shopkeepers. They firstly there was a learning process for me. When I contacted to the shopkeepers, many of them strictly denied to me to have a little conversation. But as I was very curious to got all the answer to it, then I keep on contacting all the shopkeepers and got to a conclusion. So the only conclusion was customers are happy to pay, but what they need is they need a very satisfactory service. And here we have a solution, pay services, because as we started by the trust we are gaining from the customers, we are having our loyal audience by the name of my father, and we are reaching out to all the customers and providing the services. So as we gave a subtitle to the name, pay services with your trust. So that is all from my side. All from my side for the proposal thing. Thank you so much. Thank you.